the trees. The clouds above like angry seas. Outside my window, shadows dance. My heart beats fast, a fleeting chance. The winds a scream, it cuts the air. A city gas, it doesn't care. Through the storm I chase, I run, dodging rain, the battle's begun. The night's alive, electric tight. I dash for croissants in the puddles deep, they splash my feet. The neon signs are incomplete. Reflections twist like ghostly smiles. I'm only running reckless Typhoon's voice, a siren's wail. I grab my prize, I will prevail.